Hello, Chris Green here, insurance agent, owner, Community First Insurance Agency. Today we're talking about coastal flood insurance. As most people know, or most people are pretty knowledgeable about, flood insurance on the coast can be extremely high. Of course, the likelihood of flooding is much, much higher when it comes to the coast. However, a lot of people don't realize is that these maps are continuously changing, probably once every year, 2, 3 years, especially recently after major flooding. A couple of the areas that this has been a big impact on is the coastal areas of Georgia. Traditionally, hurricanes have not had that big of an impact on the coast of Georgia because of where it's located. It's been thankful enough to have missed out on some major storms like Florida and Texas have not. As a result, it hasn't really had that much flooding from hurricanes year after year like a lot of other areas have. However, the last 2 years has been a little bit different when it comes to that. So the last 2 years, back to back, areas like Tybee Island, St. Simons, and Brunswick have suffered some major flooding damage and losses and things like that. And so it's really something that the people in these areas are constantly thinking about now. Not just how to lower their premiums, but how to make sure they have the right coverage in place. Or they're like, you know what? I've got a $500,000 house, but I can only get $250,000 in coverage. So what they want to do is find a way to cover that gap. So there's a few different things you can do here. When you're out there shopping for insurance, if they say, hey, you're maxed at $250,000, there's options called excess flood that can cover that gap for you. You can also go to the private market. Also, what we recommend you doing is taking a look at your flood map and see if it's been changed. A lot of these island areas actually have been changed to low-risk areas this year from the last couple of years. I know that's shocking, especially with back-to-back flooding. But a lot of this flooding has occurred in areas that flooding traditionally does not occur in. So the chances of it occurring again may be much lower. So that's definitely something you want to look at. However, the option to get these coverages there are definitely there. You can reach out to us if you want to check and see what your flood map is through our website, floodinsuranceguru.com. Or you can give us a call, 770-464-5024, and we can sit down and really analyze your situation for you based on what part of coastal Georgia you're in.